Imagine a life where you don't have to worry about money, a life where you have the freedom to pursue your passions and live on your own terms. That's the power of financial freedom, the ultimate goal that many of us aspire to achieve. But how do you get there? In this video, we'll explore the roadmap to financial freedom, a step-by-step guide that will help you navigate the path to wealth and financial independence. We'll debunk common myths, discuss strategies to increase your income, manage expenses, and build a solid investment portfolio. Whether you're just starting your journey or looking to refine your existing plan, this video will provide you with valuable insights and actionable steps to take control of your finances and build a secure future for yourself and your loved ones. So, buckle up and get ready to unlock the secrets to achieving financial freedom, the key to living life on your own terms. Financial freedom is a state where you have enough passive income or accumulated wealth to cover your living expenses without relying on a traditional job or active employment. It means having the freedom to choose how you spend your time and resources without being constrained by financial obligations. Achieving financial freedom is crucial because it provides a sense of security, peace of mind, and the ability to pursue your passions without worrying about making ends meet. It allows you to live life on your own terms, free from the stress and limitations that financial constraints often impose. However, there are many misconceptions surrounding financial freedom. Some believe that it's only attainable for the wealthy or those with high-paying jobs, while others think it requires extreme frugality or sacrificing enjoyment in the present. The truth is, financial freedom is achievable for anyone willing to make smart financial decisions, live within their means, and consistently invest in their future. Another common myth is that financial freedom is a destination, a single point in time when you reach a certain net worth or income level. In reality, it's an ongoing journey that requires continuous effort, discipline, and adaptation to changing circumstances. The key is to develop a solid financial plan, stay committed to your goals, and make adjustments as needed along the way. By understanding the true nature of financial freedom and dispelling these myths, you'll be better equipped to embark on your own path to wealth and financial independence. To achieve financial freedom, you need a well-defined roadmap that outlines the steps you need to take. Here's a comprehensive 4-step plan to guide you on your journey. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to never miss an update. Now back to the video. Step 1. Assess your current financial situation. The first step is to gain a clear understanding of your current financial standing. Start by tracking your income and expenses meticulously. Identify your sources of income, whether from employment, side hustles, or investments, and document all your expenses, including fixed costs like rent or mortgage, utilities, and variable expenses like entertainment and dining out. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and allocate more funds toward your financial goals. Next, calculate your net worth by subtracting your total liabilities or debts from your total assets like savings, investments, and properties. This will give you a snapshot of your overall financial health and highlight areas that need improvement. Finally, define your financial goals. What does financial freedom mean to you? Do you want to retire early, achieve a certain level of passive income, or build a substantial nest egg for your family? Clearly defining your goals will help you develop a more targeted and effective plan. Step 2. Develop a wealth-building strategy with a clear understanding of your current situation and goals. It's time to develop a comprehensive wealth-building strategy. This involves multiple components. Increase your income streams, explore opportunities to boost your earnings, whether through career advancement, starting a side hustle, or developing passive income sources like rental properties or online businesses. Reduce expenses and eliminate debt. Identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses and prioritize paying off high-interest debt, which can be a significant drain on your finances. Invest wisely. Allocate a portion of your income towards building a diversified investment portfolio. Consider a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets that align with your risk tolerance and time horizon. Protect your assets. Ensure you have adequate insurance coverage for health, life, disability, etc., and implement estate planning strategies to safeguard your wealth for you and your loved ones. Step 3. Implement and monitor your plan. Once you've developed your wealth-building strategy, it's time to put it into action. Automate your finances as much as possible, setting up automatic transfers for savings and investments. This will help you stay disciplined and consistent with your plan. Regularly track your progress and adjust your strategy as needed. Celebrate small wins along the way to stay motivated and committed to your goals. Step 4. Adjust and optimize your financial freedom journey is not a static process. As your life circumstances change from marriage, children, or career transitions, you'll need to reevaluate and adjust your plan accordingly. Continuously educate yourself on personal finance topics, staying up to date with market trends, tax laws, and investment strategies. By following this comprehensive roadmap and making necessary adjustments along the way, you'll be well on your path to achieving financial freedom and the ability to live life on your own terms. Now, let's take a quick break to talk about an exciting opportunity. If you're interested in learning more crypto investing, I highly recommend checking out the Crypto Quantum Leap course. This course is designed to provide you with the knowledge and skills to navigate the world of cryptocurrencies and make informed investment decisions. By enrolling in this course, you'll gain valuable insights from industry experts and learn strategies to maximize your returns in the crypto market. To learn more about Crypto Quantum Leap, click the link in the description below. The journey to financial freedom may seem daunting, but it's important to remember that countless individuals from all walks of life have achieved this goal through dedication and perseverance. Their stories serve as inspiration and proof that it is indeed possible to break free from the shackles of financial constraints. Take, for instance, the story of Sarah, a single mother who worked multiple jobs to make ends meet. Through careful budgeting, debt elimination, and consistent investing in low-cost index funds, she managed to accumulate a sizable nest egg over the course of 15 years. Today, Sarah is financially independent and has the freedom to spend quality time with her children while pursuing her passion for travel and philanthropy. Another inspiring example is John, a former corporate executive who chose to retire early at the age of 45. By living below his means, starting a successful side business, and leveraging real estate investments, John was able to generate enough passive income to sustain his desired lifestyle without relying on a traditional paycheck. These stories highlight the power of discipline, patience, and commitment to a well-defined financial plan. While the paths may differ, the underlying principles remain the same. Live within your means, eliminate debt, invest consistently, and never lose sight of your long-term goals. By drawing inspiration from these success stories and incorporating the strategies outlined in our Financial Freedom Roadmap, you too can unlock the door to a life of financial independence and limitless possibilities. In this video, we've explored the roadmap to financial freedom, a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the path to wealth and financial independence. We've covered the importance of assessing your current financial situation, developing a comprehensive wealth-building strategy, implementing and monitoring your plan, and making necessary adjustments along the way. Remember, financial freedom is not a destination but an ongoing journey that requires discipline, patience, and a commitment to your long-term goals. It's a journey that empowers you to live life on your own terms, free from the constraints of financial worries and obligations. As you embark on this exciting journey, keep in mind that consistency and perseverance are key. Stay focused, celebrate small wins, and never lose sight of the ultimate prize, the ability to pursue your passions and live the life you truly desire. Before we conclude, stay tuned for our next video, The Power of Compounding, Einstein's Eighth Wonder. In this video, we'll delve into the incredible power of compounding and how it can exponentially grow your wealth over time. You won't want to miss this video, as it unveils one of the most powerful secrets to building long-term wealth. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and get ready to embark on a journey that will transform your relationship with money forever. The path to financial freedom starts now.